In this video, I'll show you how to easily access locked chats on WhatsApp, whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device. Be sure to watch until the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app. Once you're in, navigate to the chat section. You may have some archived and locked chats in your account. Initially, you only see the archived option at the top, but to reveal locked chats, simply drag the screen down a bit. This action will display additional options, including locked chats. To view the list of your locked conversations, tap on the option. You will need to confirm your identity using Face ID or by entering your passcode or PIN. Once verified, you'll be taken to your locked conversations, where you can view them. If you want to unlock a chat, just long press on the conversation and select Unlock Chat. The chat will then be removed from the locked section and moved back to your main chat list. If you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up.